डियर स्टूडेंट, हाउ आर यू। हम लोगों का इक्विलिब्रियम का सफर चल रहा है एंड आई होप नाउ यू बिकम सम सीरियस, यू बिकम्स मोर कंसंट्रेट अबाउट द स्टडी बिकॉज 11th के चैप्टर्स में आपके सिलेबस में जेई नीट और बोर्ड दोनों को ध्यान में रखते हुए सिलेबस हम लोगों का पहुंच चुका है इक्विलिब्रियम स्टेट। एंड इन दिस लेक्चर आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस basically about relation between Kp and Kc. Relation between Kp and Kc. As you know well, Kp is also equilibrium constant and Kc is also equilibrium constant. This is based on concentration. Its value is based on concentration, and for Kp this is also equilibrium constant and its value is based on pressure. Okay, now to decide the relation, consider for the given reaction. For the reaction N1A plus N2B reversible M1C plus M2D. This is the reversible reaction RF and RB, and no doubt it is also present in equilibrium state. This one is present at equilibrium state. N1 and N2 are the coefficient of reactant A and B, while M1 and M2 are the coefficient of product C and D. Okay, then according to rate law, RF directly proportional to concentration of A to power N1, concentration of B to power N2, which is implies RF is equal to K1 concentration of A to power N1, concentration of B to power N2. Clear? This is RF. This is the expression used for the RF. And by the same way, RB directly proportional to K2, concentration of C to power M1, concentration of D to power M2. Therefore, Kc directly we can write concentration of C to power M1, concentration of D to power M2 whole upon concentration of A to power N1, concentration of B to power N2. Equation first. This is the value of Kc. This one is value associated with Kc, equilibrium constant. Now for Kc, now Kp is equal to partial pressure of C to power M1, partial pressure of D to power M2 whole upon partial pressure of A to power N1, partial pressure of B to power N2. This is the expression used for decide the value of Kc. Now, I hope everybody know this you have taken, and now we know since Pb is equal to nRT, which is implies P is equal to N upon V into RT, which is implies P is equal to CRT. Now here we have to substitute. Here we have to substitute the value of here we have to substitute the value of P in this equation. It is taken from ideal gas equation, and where there is the P, we can substitute this value in this equation. which is implies Kp is equal to partial pressure of C means concentration of C RT to power M1, concentration of D RT to power M2 का whole upon concentration of A RT to power N1, concentration of B RT to power N2, RT to power N2 Kp. This we have to apply here value, which is implies Kp is equal to, we can take here RT as a common, concentration of C to power M1, concentration of D to power M2 and RT to power M1 plus M2 whole upon concentration of A to power N1, concentration of B to power N2, RT to power N1 plus N2. Okay, which is implies Kp is equal to concentration of C means we can also write like this, concentration of C to power M1, concentration of D to power M2 whole upon concentration of A to power N1, concentration of B to power N2 and RT to power here delta X. We have write here RT to power delta X. And what to mean by the value of delta X? How will you guess its value here about the delta X, which is implies we can write here which is implies Kp is equal to, this is equivalent to Kc. दिस वन वैल्यू आप बेटा देख सकते हो, ये वैल्यू पूरी किससे है, इस Kc से रिलेटेड है. अदरवाइज Kp इज इक्वल टू Kc RT टू पावर डेल्टा X एंड हियर यू नो डेल्टा X इज इक्वल टू M1 प्लस M2 माइनस N1 प्लस N2 मीन्स number of moles of product minus number of moles of reactant. This is associated with delta X, which is implies Kp is equal to Kc RT to power delta X. This is the relation, dear student. This is the relation between Kp and Kc. This one is the current relation between Kp and Kc. Clear? And suppose आपसे कोई पूछा जाए कि give any chemical reaction in which the value of Kp is equal to Kc. If it is demanded to you, the value of Kp is equal to Kc. एक ऐसी केमिकल रिएक्शन बताइए जिसके लिए Kp और Kc की वैल्यू आपस में सेम हो, और वो रिएक्शन वही हो सकती है जिसके लिए डेल्टा X क्या हो जाए, जीरो. यदि यहाँ पे डेल्टा X जीरो हो जाए, if डेल्टा X is equal to जीरो, तो इसकी वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी, जीरो तो पूरा वन हो जाएगा. Therefore Kp must be equal to Kc. क्लियर? इस लेक्चर में मैंने आपको रिलेशन बताया Kp और Kc के बीच में. ओके, आज के लेक्चर में, इस लेक्चर में इतना है. थैंक यू.